Ahoy, this is Zdenka. Today's video will look different. Today's video will even sound different because I'm gonna be vlogging with whatever is in my pocket, and that is my smartphone, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. I'm gonna show you in a very great detail how you can set up very inexpensive, on a budget, great vlogging kit with this phone. Also paired it with a DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal or DJI Osmo Mobile 2 gimbal and few other accessories. And of course, I'm gonna show you tips and tricks in great detail when it comes to vlogging with that setup. We've got lots to do. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Zdenka Darula. I create photo and video tutorials, tech reviews, and creative camera challenges. So if that's something you're passionate about, you might consider clicking that subscribe button. Now, smartphones these days are getting better and better and better. They are turning into photo and video beasts, literally. I love to film and take photos with my mirrorless cameras and DSLRs, which I have here, but sometimes I actually prefer to reach for whatever I have in my purse or in my pocket, and that would be my smartphone. I had all kinds of phones before. I had all kinds of Androids, and I had iPhone before as well. But this time I settled on Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. What sold me was those lenses. I absolutely love them. I paired it with quite affordable DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Now, you could vlog on this setup as it is, but I wanted to improve it. I love the picture, but I wanted a little bit better sound. I have Rode microphone, which I use in all my videos. This microphone is great, never had any issues with it. Since I film outside a lot, I got this furry thing, they call it dead cat, which really helps to reduce the wind sound. And by the way, everything I'm talking about in today's video is linked in the video description below, so you don't have to take notes, you can just check it out after this video. To make the microphone work with your Android phone, you will need to get 3.5mm TRS to TRRS microphone cable. With that, you can connect this microphone to your smartphone. To attach the microphone to your DJI Osmo Mobile 3, by the way, you can attach it to Osmo Mobile 2 as well with the same thing. You will use ring clamp microphone adapter. You can also use it to mount light on it. So here you will attach the ring clamp, mount microphone on it, and connect the microphone to your phone. Done. This is the vlogging setup. It does make a huge difference. Just to compare, here is a video sample how it would look like if you would be vlogging just with your smartphone, no gimbal and no microphone. So this is the video how it would look like when you would be vlogging just with your smartphone. You would not be using any gimbal or microphone. And as you can tell, I am here in this beautiful early fall day. There are leaves everywhere. Just the seasons got mixed up a little bit. I think that we should be getting this more in January instead. Here is a video sample how it would look like if you were vlogging with your smartphone and gimbal, but no microphone. And here is a video sample how it would look like if you would be vlogging just on your smartphone and gimbal, but no microphone. The video is a little bit more smoother. Obviously, there is no shakiness because I'm using gimbal. However, the sound might be still the smartphone sound, which is not bad at all. I didn't adjust the brightness or anything like that on the screen. I simply just hit the record button. And here is a video how it would look like if you were vlogging with the full setup: smartphone, gimbal, and microphone. And here is option number 3. This is what you get when you use this kit, which is smartphone, gimbal, and external microphone. The picture should be very nice and smooth because the gimbal makes it nice and smooth. Also, the sound should be a little bit better with this external microphone. Well, let me show you how I would vlog with it, and mainly show you tips and tricks to help you out. When you're filming yourself, doing stuff, talking or not talking, I open up DJI Mimo app, select just default follow mode, and use tracking object feature. I use the front camera, the standard lens will be automatically used because DJI Mimo app won't let you use other lenses. So right now I'm filming myself, but I do not have selected any tracking feature. So as you can tell, if I'm going left and right, I'm kind of getting lost. Let me select the tracking feature. And I'm always in the shot. There we go. Object tracking is not just for filming yourself or other person. When you film B-roll or cinematic sequences, you can lock it up on any object and just circle around it. You can get some very interesting shots that way. I'm going around the object. Here, I'm gonna track it now. Locking up the brightness. When you are panning around or moving around with your gimbal, it is important to lock the brightness. If you don't use it, your footage will look like someone just turned on or turned off the light. As you move from light to dark or vice versa, the phone automatically adjusts the brightness, resulting in this kind of result. To control the brightness, simply tap on the square with the sun beside it to select desired brightness and hold. That will lock it. Now the video will look much better. To unlock, simply tap again. If you want to film with your wide lens or telephoto lens, you have to get out of the DJI Mimo and film in a camera app which came with your phone. Here you can lock the brightness as well. If you just tap on the screen and start filming, it will not lock it up. If you slide a bit the light bulb and start filming, the brightness will stay locked for you. When you're filming yourself talking or just yourself or other person, you can make the footage look very cinematic, bokeh, creamy. Don't forget to use the live focus video in the camera app, which will find the face, which will be sharp, the background will be blurry, and if you also lock the brightness, you've got some nice result. As you can see, the background is nice and creamy. I'm not using external microphone. This is strictly test for the photo. This is how it would look like if you would lock the brightness as well and use this kind of a feature. When you're filming, you will most likely use follow mode, which makes the footage very smooth, especially if you are filming yourself or someone else. If you are going to be on the move, moving forward or backwards, to maintain perfect composition during walking or running, change the mode to tilt lock mode. When you change the mode and you shoot in a different app such as smartphone camera app, it will stay for you. Here's a quick sample of a video when I'm walking and I have a tilt lock mode locked, and actually I'm using external microphone right now. I'm using the live focus feature. My brightness is locked. This is what you get. Let me show you a few more goodies from my smartphone filming kit. Now when you are filming, don't be afraid to use different angles. Shoot from eye level, shoot from waist level, go low, go high, go very high. And for that, if you don't want to send drone up very high, or you don't even have drone, or you cannot fly drone in certain locations, just mount monopod to your DJI Osmo Mobile 3. You can extend it to make it very, very long and just lift it to the air. When you use very wide lens on the smartphone Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, the shots are very, very nice. In fact, I made a video about it in the past and I'm linking it here and also video description below so you can watch it later. The whole video is showing me using smartphone with DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal and this monopod. I think you will like it. Last goodies I have here is this filter set. Here's everything from macro lens to variable ND filter, CPL filter, orange filter, gray filter, and blue filter. I love this set because it's very small, it's very light, it fits anywhere, and I like to play with it because it gives all kinds of different effects, it improves your footage, and also it is very helpful in terms of photography. And again, all the items are listed in a video description below, so feel free to check it out. Hit the thumbs up button if you like today's video, subscribe to all future videos like these. If you have any questions, comments, or simply want to say hello, hi, or ahoy, you can do so in a comment section below. I read it all, and I will see everyone in the next one. Ciao, ahoj. Kde seš? Já nic nemám. Jo, jsi pěkně drzá. Nemám nic. Nemám, co bych ti dala. No ještě mi půjdeš do tašky, ne? Nemám jídlo, nemám.